Hey! My name is Paul, I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about motor blower 115V P3 for Ultrafryer part #17A021. Motor blower 115V P3 for Ultrafryer part #17A021 is a replacement part for an Ultrafryer commercial deep fryer. This motor is designed to provide the necessary power to the blower that circulates hot air around the fryer's cooking chamber. The 115V rating indicates that it runs on standard household voltage, and the P3 designation indicates that it has 3 speeds. This motor is designed to be used with Ultrafryer part #17A021 and should not be used with any other model or brand of deep fryer. This part fixes the following symptoms. This motor and blower would replace a faulty motor and blower in an Ultrafryer, which would fix any issues related to the motor or blower not functioning properly. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the motor blower. Make sure you understand all of the steps before beginning the installation process. 2. Turn off the power to the Ultrafryer and disconnect it from any power source. 3. Remove any existing motor blower from the Ultrafryer and disconnect any wiring associated with it. 4. Install the new motor blower according to the instructions provided with it. Make sure all connections are secure and that all wiring is properly connected to its respective terminals. 5. Connect the new motor. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.